everybody. My name is Neetra. Happy Grandparents' Day. Amma, I miss you yummy food. Apupa, I miss you walking with you. I lot love you. Hi, I'm Oyana. Happy Grandparents' Day. Hi friend, my name is Nikit Varma Bhupati Raju. I am Santa Maria International School. Happy Grandparents' Day. Love you, Grandpa. Love you, Grandpa. Miss you, Grandpa. Thank you. Bye-bye. इसको ना देखो तो दादी जादू है देख के किसको दिल को मेरे से नाता है ये कैसा रिश्ता है कैसा नाता है देख के किसको दिल को मेरे से नाता है I love you, Daddy. Alu. I love you, Achuma. I love you, Achacha. And happy Grandparents' Day.
Hello.
Hello.
Medha, how many grandparents do you have?
I have
How many?
Two.
How many grandmothers do you have?
Two grandmothers.
And how many grandfathers do you have? This way, please. Two. Okay, do you know their names? Tada is your... And is your grandfather or grandmother?
Grandfather.
Wow, and then who else?
Dadu Bhai is my grandfather too.
Dadu Bhai is your grandfather too. And who else is your grandmother?
Amma.
Amma. And who is your other grandmother? What do you call her?
Tommy too.
What are your feelings towards them? What do you feel towards them?
I feel nice.
You feel nice? You feel anything in the heart towards them?
Yeah.
What is that at the heart you feel?
I feel like happy tears.
Happy?
Tears.
Happy tears when you think of them? Aw. Can you show the shape of your heart for them?
Okay.
And who do you love the most in the grandparents?
I love them this much.
Do you love them that much? But who do you love the most?
Love Amma, Tommy, and Tada and Dadu.
All the four of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to say something to your grandparents? I love you. Ka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. Love you in the
evening
and
underneath the moon.
Hey! Skidamarinka, dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. Whoa! I love
You.
Yay! Well done, Medha.
I love my grandparents. Happy Grandparents' Day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi friends, my name is Sasha. Happy Grandparents' Day. Hi, my name is Jagdi. Happy Grandma. And I love you. Our tata, mama tata. Bye! I love my grandmas. I meet my grandpas. Happy Grandparents Day! Dada. Mama.